Welcome. In front of me I have HTC smartphone, and I'm going to show you how we can get this amazing Magic Fluids wallpaper on any HTC smartphone. But at the first I'm going to delete this application, and then I'm going to show you all the steps to get it. And as you can see right now, our wallpaper changed to default, and right now we have to move for the Play Store. When you are right here, you have to tap on the search pool and type Magic Fluid, and you have to get this application from the Mad Scientist, Magic Fluids Free Simulation. And when you get it, just click install, and now just wait until it finishes download. Okay, right now we can open this application. Click right here, tap to set as a live wallpaper, and click set wallpaper. Here we can select where we want to apply this wallpaper. We can make it on the home screen, but also we can put it on the home screen and also on the lock screen. So you have to pick up your setup. I'm going to pick it on the home screen. Just close your wallpaper and close the application, and right now you can enjoy this cool animated wallpaper on your smartphone. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!